Hi there, today we're gonna talk about when scallions bolt. This means they go into flowering and which later will develop into seeds. Now onion, garlic, they all develop, they usually all bolt sometime or another, usually when the weather is very hot and the water is scarce. So they will bolt and develop a huge flower which will get pollinated and form seeds. Now, some of today's varieties are hybrids, so seeds aren't best collected. And usually, if the onion is grown for the bulb to eat it, it is not recommended to let it grow this bulb, this flower. So the process is of taking it off. You usually just chop it off from below like this, and that is how we get rid of the flower. If we want it to seed, we just let it grow, but if we let it grow and the onion is for eating, it will have a deep cavity inside of the onion where the stalk has grown up. So usually it's ideal to take it off. That's the method. As easy as that. Usually if they are a bit smaller, it's better when they take them off. Here we have a smaller one, and usually this size or smaller ones or even smaller are the ideal size to harvest them, to take them off, because they still haven't gotten up a lot thicker. So we just take it off, we bend it a bit, and that's all. As you can see, the flowers didn't even develop. This is a great time to take it off because the stalk is still small, and so the onion wouldn't have much stalk inside of it when it grows up. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, subscribe and give us a thumbs up.